So here's the thing. I'm not saying that shovels aren't great. I'm just saying compared to the work it takes for a shovel, imagine how long that would have taken me. I mean, one shovel, throw it, one shovel, throw it. This was just walk down, walk back, done. We are done. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to The Longest Yard. As you can see, my yard is about 8 to 10 inches under the snow. So it is time to clear a pathway. We've got about 2 inches snow last night, nice and fluffy because it is cold. And it is about, I don't know, 20 degrees out. And we're supposed to get down to -10 or something like that this week. I don't know, it's crazy. Crazy cold. But I wanted to show you guys this Snowcaster plow that I have always used. I used it when I was a groundskeeper back in the day, and I'd always carry it with me on the Kubota. Super easy, just jump off, grab this thing, clear a pathway, a walkway, real easy. It is nice and wide. You push it instead of, lifting snow and throwing it, you're pushing snow to the side. Just I highly recommend it for people that have short walkways, pathways. I'm on a corner lot, so I have a really long stretch of sidewalk, so it's perfect for that. Down and back, and you're done. Let's get to it. I'll show you how it's done.
All right, let the master show you how to get it done.
If you want it this way, this direction, it'll push to that side, or flip it over, pushes to that side.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Lickety split.
Wow, look at him go. He's fast. Wow, he's fast. Come on, you're all fighting for second. Just first loser. This is fun. We'll pass out trophies later.
My time lapse was probably like 10 seconds long because that's how long it took. My heart rate's at 115, so it's not too bad. A little bit of a workout, but you don't need a snow blower. You don't need a normal shovel, some fancy shovel. This Snowcaster is awesome. It's a self-propelled plow. Really easy to push. It doesn't get caught up on the grooves of the concrete, and it skips right over them. I'm gonna have to get some de-ice down because we did drive on it, walk on it before I was able to plow. So throw some de-ice down. We're done. Stay warm out there. It's supposed to be -16 or something like that this week. Stay warm, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for my de-icing video. It's gonna be awesome and blow your mind. Happy New Year, everybody.